Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're still sticking with the topic of online businesses, Shopify specifically. I personally use Shopify for my online business, so it's just easier for me to talk about that platform. In today's video, I wanted to discuss 3 ways you could generate money for your store. I see a lot of videos like, oh, you don't need any money to start a store, or you only need $100, or you need $500. But for some of us, or for some people, it's hard to get another job, or maybe, for whatever reason, they're strapped for cash. So I'm hoping to give you 3 ideas to generate money that is not going to require you to find another job or pick up more hours at your current job. So the first creative way is to list things on eBay without physically having the product. So it's kind of like drop shipping, but not really. So let me explain. What you can do is you can go on sites like Nordstrom or Saks Fifth Ave, look at the sales section, and I would encourage you only to list products that have at least a 70% discount. Take the pictures from Saks or Neiman or whatever, post it on eBay. When it sells, use the money that the buyer gives you to then purchase the bag or the accessory, whatever it is that you sell. I used to sell bags that way. Now this only works if you've already made a good amount of transactions on eBay and the money's released to you immediately. If you have a relatively new eBay account, unfortunately, I think you have to wait a few days, or you can provide tracking details once the buyer receives it, then your money's released. But if you don't have the cash available to make the purchase to sell, this is the best way. Again, that's if your eBay account is set up to release the buyer's funds immediately. So again, look on department store websites or any store. It could be Walmart or it could be Target, whatever is on sale, steeply discounted. You want to list that on eBay. When it sells, you use their money to go out and buy the product. And of course, you keep whatever profit. You want to, of course, do a significant markup. That goes without saying. All right, so there's that. I actually have a video about an eBay situation I had with that. I sold a Louis Vuitton Palm Springs bag, and that was a headache, but I came up on a huge profit doing that. I would not suggest selling super expensive stuff that way, but selling a $100 bag or $200 bag, it's not too risky. Same idea as retail arbitrage. So you can go to, I don't know about you, but my Dollar General in my area is really good. Sometimes Dollar General sells things that are $4 and $5 in department stores, or like Walmart's. I guess you can consider Walmart a department store. But go to Dollar General, go to Dollar Tree, go to Ross, go to TJ Maxx, look at their clearance section. Buy stuff, put it on Poshmark, put it on eBay, put it on Amazon, whatever. That's another way to make money relatively quickly without spending too much. I don't know if you guys have the Goodwill bins in your area, where it's pretty much cents for every item that you pick up. You can get so many things for $20. And I've picked up Patagonia stuff before at the bins. So checking out Goodwill and Goodwill bins is another way for you to quickly and cheaply buy and flip products. You can get something for $10 that's worth $100. So that one's a little bit more tedious, and it does require a little bit more upfront from you, but I find that that's a really good way to make money quickly. Another way is selling PDFs or files like that on eBay. Of course, you want to make sure you can. You can't do this with everything. So you want to do your research with that. If it's a PDF that you can sell and that is selling online, that you have the rights to, you want to go ahead and do that, because it doesn't cost you anything, except of course the initial one-time cost it is for you to buy it. Or there actually are some free PDFs online that people don't do the research to find that you can actually sell for a profit. So that's my list. These are things that I've done over the last couple of years to make money quick, whether it's to generate for my business or just to make money on Poshmark or Amazon. But if you're thinking about starting an online business in 2020 and you need the capital, you need the cash, try any of the things that I listed. Let me know if you guys have done any of the things that I listed. Have you had success? Have you had any issues? Comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you again in the next video. Bye.